Has anyone just done it yet? Like, gone into the free fall? Because, truthfully, my avatar can't take it anymore. What would happen, hypothetically, as an experiment? What would happen if someone radically chose total faith in the universe and just said, fuck it? We all talk about how we don't want to be in the system anymore, but what is anyone doing about it? And I don't mean going out and protesting. I don't mean that. I mean, what about radical shift towards actually doing what feels good? Like, hypothetically, if we create a reality and we radically, in all ways, no split energy, said, this is what I'm doing now. If law of attraction actually works, I believe there would be radical shift. Now the question is, can you do that? Can you truly break through the limiting beliefs to a freedom, a level of freedom where you are not resisting the blessings? And here's the deal. I don't know how much longer I have in this system where I'm not just going to go a little cuckoo. Because frankly, I already feel like I'm on the edge. I already feel the deep, deep soul breaking. I don't believe in soul breaking. Let me avatar breaking. This body, this essence. This part of me is struggling. Because I came here to radically embrace the deep, creative, magical process that is being an energy worker. That's too limited. I came here to radically shift how people come to the human experience. And I know this because I've been this way since I was little. This is not new. Some people, and I watch them, and it baffles me how someone can suppress their soul expression as deeply as some of these people do. Most people do. I don't know how you do it. Frankly, I'm a little jealous. How do you let yourself get so crushed? Because frankly, I'm not able to do that. I can only go so long in this human paradigm without just having to break free. I can't do it. It's not in my makeup. So I'm coming to a choice. And I feel like Spirit is telling me to just go, just let go. Like, we'll catch you if you do it, but it's like, oh, all the programming is so deep. It's so deep. But to do what I want to do kind of takes a radical choice to be different. You can't make something different and still play the game. You can't be in the safety of the system and create something new. I mean, you can on a little, but like not. I want to transcend the belief that I have to do this thing. Work 9 hours at a job I can't stand just to get by. Just to spend 2.5 days with my family. I don't want to have to be at a place I don't like 45 hours a week plus driving. I am I am meant for bigger things. And the thing is if it was just me, I would have done it already. Because I've got some, it's just me. I can figure that out. But I have a family. And rent. And so the question is, do I believe that I will be taken care of by the greater universe if I fully claim my muchness? That's the question. Is truly radically owning who you are going to set you up vibrationally to manifest the big things? And most humans will tell you no. Spirit says yes. And then, of course, in the back of my mind, I go, have I already gone? Delulu, as they would say. But frankly, it's the playing of the game that's making me delulu. Maybe this is me recognizing that the game is delulu. What if I just radically shifted into that being I so deeply desire? What if I did that? What would happen? And is it worth experimenting? You know what? Fuck it. I have one life. What's the worst that can happen? I have to go get another job? What's the worst that could fucking happen? My husband could leave me? Well, then we weren't aligned to the same vision. No one is benefiting from me not being my all. There are mosquitoes out here. I manifested so much of my life with ease. Why can't I just fully embrace that level of creating? Because I know I can do it. Why can't I just do it? I can do it. There's just fear. Fear has am I going to let fear grip my life, or am I going to transcend that? These are the questions. These are the questions I have. These are the questions I am on the edge of just saying, let's fucking do it. Let's fucking do it. One life in this body. One life in this, and there's a reason I can't do it. There's a reason I came into a body with a perspective and a launching off point family where I couldn't do it. Because the only way we're going to shift this reality is if people like me actually decide to do it. Because there's a lot of people who will just sit back and complain and do nothing about it. They'll just stay in the system, just stay in the game. It's the people who are little nuts who say, let's actually do it. Let's actually try it, that create the change. The question is, will I be one of those people, or am I going to let the fear that other people have determine what I do with my life force essence? I know the answer. The question is more like when. When will I say, fuck it? Because I can't do it still playing the game. Gotta unplug. You got to unplug.